Are you perhaps a little bit more invested right now in stablecoins versus where you were 6 months ago? I know I am. Are you perhaps waiting for the market to reverse, or are you just unsure of market conditions in general right now? Honestly, we are too. And while we were looking for an easy way to earn some money while waiting for the next buying opportunity, we came across Vauld. You know that feeling that you get in cryptocurrency when things get choppy? You just kind of want to take your money, park it somewhere safe, maybe benefit from earning opportunities while it's parked, but also ensure that it's accessible so when you do want to take action, you have that option as well. And based on our research, it looks like Vauld basically provides for all of these functions. But right now we have a zillion questions in mind. For example, does Vauld offer enough APY? Does it have ample trading pairs? Because one could have all kinds of weird coins in their portfolio. Also, is the hard-earned money you're putting away safe with Vauld? We are answering all these questions and more in today's video. Hey guys, I am Maddie and this is Altcoin Buzz. We are, of course, a crypto investment company. We've been in this space through the highs, through the lows, and we've been making millionaires since all the way back in 2017, not by accident either. We've been early investors in some of these projects and many others as well. We have a keen eye for those projects that have netted us consistently 100x profit over the years. And so if you don't want to miss out on the next potential crypto gem or altcoin moonshot, I would suggest you like this video, you subscribe to our YouTube channel, that is Altcoin Buzz. Also, hit the bell to receive notifications because that way you're going to get notified specifically every time we publish time-sensitive content on YouTube. As a disclaimer and as a reminder, everything that we're sharing in this video boils down to opinion. None of it should be considered official financial or investment advice. Okay, with all that being said, let's discuss Vauld. This is a classic CeFi, that's centralized finance crypto lender, meaning that they're competing with other CeFis like BlockFi, Nexo, and Celsius, which we've covered in the past. And so the idea is that you can lend, borrow, buy, sell, or trade on Vauld in over 250 trading pairs, all available against USDT. They offer some of the highest rates as well in the industry on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and several stablecoins. And those rates include 3.04% for cryptos like the Graph and Yield Finance, 6.7% for the big blue chips such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, and 12.68% for the 6 stablecoins they offer, which are USDC, USDT, USDP, DAI, TUSD, and BUSD. And as a classic CeFi lender, they offer many of the great features you would come to expect from some of these platforms. And some of these features include interest, which is compounded daily and paid out weekly. You have instant exchanges to change assets and the rate you're earning with no delays. There's account monitoring and collateral coverage where they monitor and liquidate the borrower for you. There's also insured funds, and they use BitGo for this to insure up to $100 million of their deposits. And Vauld also has a couple of specific differences when compared to those other lenders, such as account reps and customer service departments for all accounts over $10,000 US. They also have a dedicated account rep for all accounts over $100,000 and an enterprise API offering that allows businesses to offer crypto to their customers. The value proposition is to offer great rates for lending your crypto as well as access to many trading options all within one app. And for our Indian subscribers, they are a direct from fiat to crypto provider in INR, the Indian rupee. And as you guys know, there are not many of those around. There are no deposit or withdrawal fees in crypto or in rupees, although blockchain networks or banks may charge you a fee to move some money around, but that's just the reality. Trading fees are also very low and competitive, with most pairs charging only 0.1%. Like all crypto lenders, they over-collateralize and lend you 67% LTV against your collateral. And many lenders cap out at 50%, so that's a nice benefit to the borrowers. Another cool feature they have is the automatic investment plan, or the AIP, and you can take advantage of it in two ways. Either dollar cost average into a token for investment at regular intervals, like for example weekly or monthly, or number two, buy the dip, by setting an alert to buy if Ethereum drops by 5% or more, or whatever you choose, or something similar. You can buy one token, you can buy a few tokens, or set up something custom within your AIP. And it's free. You only pay your trading costs if you have any. Darshan Bhatia and Sanju Kurian are the co-founders of Vauld, and the company is based in Singapore, while most of the tech team is in India. Everyone is listed and available on LinkedIn, which shows the level of transparency that we always look for in a project. Investors and partners include Peter Thiel's Valar, Pantera Capital, Coinbase Ventures, CMT Digital, and a few others, as you can see here, while their custody partner and insurer is BitGo, and their exchange partner for trading is Binance. Okay, let's talk roadmap for a moment. Right now, Vauld only has a fiat on-ramp for rupees, but they hope that in 2022 they're going to have on-ramps for the British pound and the euro as well. And they hope to add more chains, more tokens, and DeFi integrations the same way they're integrating with Binance in the coming year. If you haven't seen our previous video on passive income, this from earlier in the month, about a week ago, we published this. Check it out. We can link to this as well. And this is the context that you're going to want to consider this next point in, because we're going to be discussing risks. So Vauld started back in 2018, which is kind of a long time ago, at least in the world of cryptocurrency. But it's not longer than BlockFi or Nexo, which are their main competitors. However, unlike them, Vauld have a good handle on the Asian market. Actually, BlockFi went for US regulation to cover the American market, while Nexo did the same in Europe to cover EU markets. And Vauld has good coverage of Asia, but no regulatory body is overseeing them, at least not that we're aware of. And so you can understand how, depending on your interpretation, this could be viewed, at least by some, as a risk. As far as tokenomics go, right now Vauld doesn't have a token, so you can just get repaid in the same crypto you deposit into their lending pool. Crypto.com fans may see that as a disadvantage, while others like the idea of not having to deal yet with any particular proprietary token. I guess this is a case-by-case thing, and you guys watching this video will have to decide whether that's a positive or a negative. But it is nice to just deposit Ethereum, for example, and then get paid in Ethereum or USDC or Sushi or Chainlink, for example, whatever your preference is. But as of right now, no associated token with Vauld. Let's talk about some upcoming events. We do have big news that's coming up later this week. So both a big, huge new chain integration with Binance Smart Chain and the addition of, get this, over 200 tokens. All of this is going to be accessible on Vauld starting this week. And some of these are trade only, meaning that for buying and selling, that's what they're intended for. But others you can collateralize, including BEP20 versions of Doge, Shiba Inu, Filecoin, FIL, and Zilliqa, ZIL. So stay tuned, and at least our recommendation is that you check out their social media presence for these upcoming announcements. So with its automatic investment plan, AIP, with that feature, and with the high interest rates on stablecoins, Vauld separates itself from some very stiff competition out there, again, such as BlockFi, Nexo, even Crypto.com. They're doing a lot of things that a lot of strong players in the CeFi space are already doing in terms of solid rates, but there's always room for one more, and we feel that Vauld has some pretty competitive numbers here. And with more trading options within the app and the buy the dip feature, Vauld has some things we really like, and we also think that you should take a look at them as well. Once again, guys, opinions only, never financial advice. But if you like some of these opinions, then do be sure to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Altcoin Buzz. Also hit the bell to receive notifications. And if you haven't already done so, do check out access.altcoinbuzz.io. That's where we have all the information pertaining to our paid membership group, where we have all kinds of updates regarding buy, sell signals. We have insider information. When news breaks, we share it with our subscribers here in this paid premium group. If that is something that interests you guys, there's a link with more information in the description of this video. Check it out. Once again, access.altcoinbuzz.io. Best of luck, members of the Altcoin Buzz Army. If you do choose to invest, stay safe. Check out these other couple of videos that should be popping up right about now. And as always, we do hope to see you again soon in the next one. Take care.